Hey guys, this is Aaron Lewis, and in today's video we're actually going to be doing a tech unboxing, and we will be unboxing the new Apple Watch Series 6. Now I have actually got the space grey aluminium case here, the 44mm one, and I just got the white sport band with it. I thought I'd get the white sport band because I have the black sport band here, so rather than having to go out and purchase it separately, I've been waiting for the next watch to come out, which is this one, so I could just add it onto the Apple order instead of just getting the standard black band with it. So let's get stuck into unboxing this. I have waited over 2 weeks for it. I am extremely excited. Let's get on it. Alright, so as you see here, we just have the Apple box itself. As always, Apple always just has an easy pull tab, so you can just pull it off. I have watched iJustine unbox this, so I sort of know what's already inside. They have got rid of the power brick for the watch, it's like the watch charging dock, which I guess is okay. They're trying to be more sustainable. So here is the Apple Watch itself in the box, and here is my white sport band right here. So let's open the Apple Watch box first. Once again, 2 easy pull tabs on the side here. And then I'm guessing it just pops out. Not as easy as I thought it would be. There we go, there we go. Alright, so here is my new Series 6 aluminium watch. It looks exactly like my current one actually. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll do some side bys and add it on now, but they are identical. I sort of wish Apple would have changed the design of it maybe a bit more, maybe make it a bit circular. I'm not certain. I was just hoping for something a bit different for the Series 6, but maybe they're leaving that for like the Series 10 or something to like mix it up a bit. And here is just the manual on obviously how to use the Apple Watch and set it all up. I have had 2 Apple Watches, so I'm pretty certain I already know how to use it all, but it's still convenient having it. And here is the charging port for it. And here is just my Apple Watch band. Where's the easy pull tab? Here it is. Just pull that off and pop it open there. But I don't know if I mentioned this, but I have been waiting over 2 weeks for this delivery of my new Apple Watch. I'm guessing they just got a lot of orders with the new watch. This was actually shipped directly from China rather than my local Apple store, which it usually is shipped from. So I'm just going to put the watch on now, and then I'm going to set it up. Unfortunately, I won't be able to film me setting it up, just because I do use my iPhone to actually film all my videos, because I haven't got around to getting a actual vlogging filming camera yet. So I will show you it all set up and on my wrist. Anyways, now I have set up my Apple Watch and it is all synced to my phone. It took probably about 10 to 15 minutes to do whatever it had to do to sync to my phone, transfer over all the stuff from this watch I'm gathering onto it. But as I was saying before, there's really no physical difference that I can see with the 2 Apple Watches. As you can see, they are completely the same on the front. The back is slightly different. This one has 4 scanners and this one appears to just have 1 big one that is visible. That's just because this one now has the blood oxygen levels. So that is most likely why it has the 4 scanners there now. So overall, I've always loved the Apple Watches ever since I bought them. I used to have a Series 2, and then the Series 5 came out and it was the one with the always on display, which is why I then went out and bought the Series 5. I will now be giving my Series 5 to my brother because I obviously no longer need it, so I will be using the Series 6 from now on. As I said, I do wish they'd gone with a sort of different design, because I'm over just the square look with every design, or maybe even gone a bit thinner on the Apple Watch. I'm surprised they actually haven't already done that in the amount of time that the watch has been out, but I'll take what I can get. It's still a very nice watch compared to other watches on the market. It is quite pricey though. I believe this watch cost me $6.95, and that's without cellular. I wouldn't really use cellular because if I'm going out, my phone is always on my person, so I don't need the cellular option, but I think the cellular option adds another $100 onto it, so you're looking at like $795 just for a watch. To me, that's not worth it, so I just went with the $695 option. That to most people still wouldn't be worth it, but they have brought out the Apple Watch SE, which is just like a simpler version of this watch, and it's a lot more cheaper too. I'm not sure of the pricing. I'll put it up on the screen right now, but that is the pricing for it. So if you guys are looking to buy an Apple Watch but you don't want to spend a lot of money, maybe go look at buying an Apple Watch SE. Alright, so I'm just going to pop over here now and do the blood oxygen levels for you guys so you guys can see it. Sorry, I struggle with that word. Oxygen. There we go, I said it right that time. Now this just measures how much oxygen you actually have in your blood. So I don't know if you guys can read that. Keep your watch facing up and try not to move. Resting your wrist on a table can help. Okay. And start. Just trying to hold very steady because it said you have to be steady. I do shake a bit naturally, so I'm not certain how it's going to work. There we go, it actually worked. 98% blood oxygen level. I wonder if that's good or not. I'm guessing so. 98% is always good. So that is how you do that one. As you can see, there really is no difference to the Apple Watch itself if you guys have owned a previous one, but it just measures your heart rate, 102 per beats per minute right now. This is just your exercise ring, which I actually need to add. That's it there. And this is just like the screen where you have like all your stuff on. If you want to view weather, there's a weather app. It's just all very handy to have on your persons, which is why I do love the Apple Watch. That's not saying that Samsung watches don't have the same features, but being that I own all Apple stuff, it just makes a lot more sense for me to own an Apple Watch compared to owning a Samsung watch. Anyways guys, that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm sorry I haven't been active a lot lately. Once again, work has been getting crazy again. I know I said that I'd be uploading every Sunday at 11 o'clock. That obviously went down the drain because work has just been crazy. I am trying to get out more content for you guys. I know a lot of people would have wanted to see an Apple Watch unboxing just because there isn't a lot out there at the moment, because people are still waiting on shipments. So I thought I would do this video for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, if you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go check out my social media accounts, which are always down in that description box below, and stay tuned for more content. Bye guys, have a good day.